In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ChatGPT generate images? The short answer is yes. ChatGPT can turn plain language into vivid images, and it can also edit images you upload by applying different styles or adjustments. This makes it a powerful creative partner for content creators, marketers, designers, and businesses that need visuals quickly. The real key is how you describe what you want. The more specific and descriptive your prompt, the better the image tends to be. So what can you actually make with it? Think social media graphics and eye-catching thumbnails, polished product mock-ups and marketing visuals, illustrations and concept art for brainstorming, and even custom images tailored for blogs, ads, and presentations. Whether you're building brand assets or exploring ideas, generating a range of variations can help you compare directions fast and pick the strongest look. To get better results, describe the subject clearly and add style cues. Mention the setting, the mood, and the camera or lighting feel you're going for, like soft morning light or dramatic studio lighting. Color guidance helps too. Say whether you want muted pastels, bold primaries, or a monochrome palette. If you need a particular composition, note the angle, close-up portrait, wide landscape, or overhead flat lay. These details guide the model to match your vision more closely. If format matters, include it in your prompt. Calling out a square, vertical, or widescreen aspect ratio ensures the image fits where you plan to use it, such as a 1.1 square for a profile grid or a 16.9 banner for video. After you see the first result, use follow-up prompts to refine it. Ask for small adjustments, brighter colors, a cleaner background, a different style, or tighter framing. Iterating with concise, specific tweaks is usually more effective than rewriting the whole idea from scratch. A few practical notes will save you time. Some advanced image features may require paid access, so check your plan if something isn't available. Text inside AI-generated images, like logos or captions, may not be perfectly rendered, so consider adding polished text later with a design tool. And if you're using the images commercially, always review them carefully to ensure they meet brand standards and don't introduce issues like unintended symbols or artifacts. In the end, the best results come from experimentation and prompt refinement. Start with a clear description, iterate thoughtfully, and you'll quickly learn how to speak the model's visual language to get the images you're imagining.